Hello viewers, my name is Joseph from Joe's Page, and you're warmly welcome to today's lesson. The lesson for today is how to use color filters in Windows display. If you have not subscribed to this channel or liked this video, kindly do so for more computer and smartphone related videos. Also, kindly watch this video till the end to get every little tidbit. Now let us begin with the secret feature known as color filter. Color filter helps improve visualization of elements on screen and also filters which is specifically created to help colorblindness users. This simply means that it gives you a comfortable visibility when working on your device. To turn this feature on or to toggle this feature on, you need to first right-click on an empty space on the desktop and select the last option, Personalize. It is going to direct you to the background window. Also, you can move to the Start button, you click on it, and select Settings. In Windows Settings, we move to select Personalization. And this is also going to direct you to the background window. On the right hand side of this window, we select High Contrast Settings under Related Settings. On the left hand side, we select Color Filters from the list of options here. Here we have Turn on Color Filters. We toggle this on. When we check this, we are going to allow keyboard shortcut to toggle the filter on or off. And the keyboard shortcut we are going to use here is Windows key plus Control plus C. When we come down here, we have an error that says night light may decrease the effectiveness of color filters. For this reason, we need to turn off the night light. We click on the night light. And here it is turned on, so we turn this off. And we move back. We come down here and we find out that the error is no more. We move here and we have select a color filter. We select the first one that's invented. We move back here and we find out that our display has been filtered successfully. To switch this to your normal display, we use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Control plus C. And this is going to switch us to our normal display. And to move back to the filter display, we use the same keyboard shortcut, Windows key plus Control plus C. And it's going to bring us back to our filter display. We move back to Settings. We move to the second option, that's Grayscale. We select this. When we move back here, we can find out that our display is now in the black and white mode. To switch this to your normal display, we use the keyboard shortcut, Windows key plus Control plus C, and it's going to bring us back to a normal display. And to move back to your filter display, you use the same keyboard shortcut, Windows key plus Control plus C, and it's going to bring you back to your filter display. We move here to select the next one, that is Grayscale Invented. We select this, and when we come here, you can see that our display has been filtered successfully. This filter is almost like the first filter we selected earlier on. But the difference between Grayscale Inverted and Invented is that when we come to the Grayscale display, it displays everything in black and white. But the Invented displays them in other colors. To switch this to your normal display, we use the keyboard shortcut, and to bring it back to the filter display, we use the same keyboard shortcut. We move back to Settings. We are done operating on color filters. We now move to color blindness filters. I scroll down a little bit. We select the first one, that's red green. When I select this, I move back here, and we can see that this display is deeper as compared to my normal display. When I use the keyboard shortcut to switch, you can see that this is a normal display and this is the filter display. We move to the next one, that is red green. We select this. And when we move back here, we can see that the display here is dim as compared to our normal display. So we switch, this is our normal display and this is the filter display. We move back to select the next one. The next one is blue-yellow. We select this, and when we move back here, we can see that this display is dim as compared to the original display. So let's compare. This is the original display and this is the filter display. This is the end of today's lesson, and if you want more of computer and smartphone tips and secrets, kindly subscribe and like to support this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.